Hi guys, in this video we'll show you how to replace Audi key fob battery in 5 simple steps. So here is the key fob. It's from an Audi A3 B8 from 2008. So first remove the key blade pressing on the button, on the top button. Then you have to press on that plastic button and in the same time lift it up. You have to remove that plastic part from inside the key fob. So you have to press on that plastic tab to release that part. And here is the battery. Audi is using a CR2032 battery that you can find it in the video description below. Here it is. Then remove the old battery and replace it with the new one. You have to put it with the face down. Install the part on the key fob. Then insert the key blade back on the key fob. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.